Anya Dr. Mona Kenneth an la palion wan chamo kumlara omero ki kinyige ne ma loko de porto twan iyo para chui an jara la mera Patricia Achan obedo kakano kori iteso kucha wana dongo kunu eta tika yobne ha geni wa atiki geni ka loko mera ko bika to twal du winye mere eta obedo ka rodo ne cha rodo rodo komna pa wan mon chi da mo puan bero bitama lutwa afo yobino utini ni iwu yongodo utini ni ko wale o bakti ma kongo folo yo peni Chief Justice Windoro kachiel ki ambasutunu ki dan wengo tawni ka gore ko mani be amira full twal amira legra kwek full twal yukuneni ya ko boyo kachiel ki rotela weng professor kachiel ko weng mater yu ene amira full twal mi yugola ko yu ene ania mabe ni eni obere yu mario mero je pajo ma yo ma ko mo bero ka gore ni pongo bero ma mo kati ma no bero gore me pongo mario ma wa jo lo ko poro lo ko racho ajo la dit Chief Justice mega pebe to twal eto koro yang no ye nya yobi gimal mono loni editing, you're adding something, you made the way. Now what you need, you lo kiracho pajo. Bagyo ka kirachel, ka we achel. You lo kiracho pajo. Eto patani rocho pajo, maka eniro, maka eniweng. Amira po etwal utwa. La di Chief Justice, an kama don ye kikoma uwo ba yu logo. Mechan, ngaraj kibero. Weko kar kene anda no de loko da be kadi donyo ngolo ci ngako bene e ko loka ba be ke loka da be kara ci raj ka be ci be ka gore eni en ma bloy wen ka wat marate bene ana ngene ki tima ki yaye yo to twal ye lu diro ka hati kan lu diro lo joma tele ci be ti kan kilo kita mapat pada waktu kain, mungkin ada tiup boleh kain, maka awak marah juga ni, ki timba kinya. Ladit Chief Justice kilo kaha mau gore kain weng, ikar bawan macam aku bunyi kue ni gore kie me orang copajo, ni acul tika gore I gangkuan me pengudua puja. Yenong gimana Uganda wo kaya karma laj. Idme kaha dana luenyo ki kaha dana we jema weno ki poro ki kaha jema beru kaha mukena tamani acho da ko chako gore note kingi kan ko maini acho lo tamo ngo manong tampa jo mukene ba wajni pe acholi jo mangi opin do ka chole history me Uganda kan gima wo ma Uganda wo weng ni chake di karpa British mi dugi lot kenwa jombe lot actually kicho makena part ke ko malakan ko beru bene ye actually peti ki tamara kumeno eni ko beru gore mi rojo pajo lutua gam ki yuba la ke gore ene yuba pajo Pero chik, pero gima kitiyo dana diye tetek. Doko pero bene gimo mamiro kikwana kong. Gina be neno ni be. Maraj bedong madano neno ni kineno ni enraj. Goro makien ni makaye makubir kumane. Enye bi kwanywa matek tutwan. Wajini an luar poko makyo moi kumacholi pe choli tika gore. Yena actually doko be jama nok tutwal ane abedo kani nyo kwan pe giek ka kwando ka ng'eyo gima nyien kiboro giko ching'e ni ichako no process onyo chak mi to kano kwano ng'eyo gima nyien ugik kiboro kodong chiri chako to kikile muno na ron wacho ni the end of learning is the beginning of death. When you stop to learn, you begin to die morally, socially, culturally, and so on and so forth. Abir ka penyu CJ ke kan ni la dit lo kadani ba wan we ki kuno eto kingodo we wa enni wa wer wana gago wana ga eni ka kokba no chobo kuma chalo chen wan wa kuyen dokti mo ma ki we do ke moro ngole wajini pe mo ga wer kumano actually ka uda nyolwenyo kado gomo tong do chani wer wewu ume wo megi wano da ki jon enni ubi ka yelo kar malachi en jo enni kar mo jong so wando me wer megi gibe wer mamwa webno kubwa be ki kuch ikin wana rion so actually ngeu wan matek ta chulo be jo maro this unyo beno be mada pe iye da wunyu bene Chief Justice nyoka karbo mi wachu we wore ni we doye. There's a lot of history in it na tika mayang muni uwao gilwenywa ye we got more kunu got makilwani mor mane mor mole mor na jembo chi wango jema lwenya ko kuno en wanya chule wero beni bien ti we chun we chwe chun we chambe tie eto twale obedo we waka ki nyoto to de waka ki piem ki loj etie we bola en tadit CJ peretek kama lwenyo bede to twal chale Uganda kaendi me yo bene tero kare gumaraj yo lwak mi kum kare ni bedum paro wapeki kare me nyang jam matut obedum kum kare wa eni. We don't have time to have depth of understanding in things. When we say ka wacho ni actually obedi pero malaj dok injustice no pero churu uwoye utero kare malaj pal ma actually bedo wan wa wen ma ripching wa movement chala in rajapajo ka chel ki gamente media jar me luon state government ka chel ki do tela chwin the religious leader ka chel ki cultural leaders unyo lodge mite kwaro ki wen patas wen ripching wa kuna ngeni actually putika matura dada me ka chuli ka jomo kene tiye biteri wakare do me don't teach matera dada. I have been telling people that we have not just actually but Northern Uganda suffered a long history of injustice, and this is important to understand. Ikale pa loloch machon chani lot of British kumalma Uganda kan to palmena total be wa chuli kan wan kineno ape chalo jo marmo timo lonyo chweno lonyo ma timo jema ke lonyo chingwa nyuma mede lonyo gamente wan pole kitiyo kwedwa chalo jo lutich me kwa kukuch kilo timo kene mamiro kaini bege tiyo kedwa chalo jo matiyo tich ma aki kan bene ba kitiyo kedwa wani kumara kan mi lutich ma aki kan maaki ibadwa kan noke chora tich mano teko ne aki chamo bel mana kwangini dok pole chiling mano kelo medongo lo mekela loka pole ko oi kumalo kan. In fact, the colonial government used to give only about 10% of the national budget to Northern and part of southern Uganda, Chigezigi, Kwenigi, and so on. Much of the money in the budget then was spent in the central. Ene kununo tie gampana bejo tie finya papa tikuno otema bejo madon wenno chaki kunu Maka no kala ko jam ne weng ne certum kunu. One kind no, this was a reserve place for labor reserve area for the army, in the military, and others. Domotiangi and so on and so forth. Jibagero, Yogagi, Domotiangi, and you know, Palmatic, Decotrama, Jamopon, Bell, Titima Tepifan, look at one kind. So Gameto, work chilling, you like Patamente, make a lot of bed on logo. Poleo Marabiro, 2 years Puja. We have Kunu, Bega Kunu, and I learned a bit CJ Gwenguno, Bega, Kitum Kunu. I'm sure even ambassador. Guno when Kwana Bejo. No, Bejo, Maakitum Central. So Kaini was deprived. The investment here in the north was very low. So we have your Central Puja, Kamano Lojma, no word, Yemika Lala. Yo Kunugumio local Lonyo, Gumio Lokalonma Beto. They knew how to create wealth, they knew what wealth was. One kind of our work was to produce raw materials to go and power the industrial development in the prison. For Pamagi and Wangeo Total, Kijamo Kanakan. At the Pinyo Riabo, make it Jamotikere, kind make a lonyo, a chingwa. We have a jaw, or the one kind, the poor male chilling. And you may get the king chilling and chilling, with the Tikunu. Kay Kwan chilling, Kay Kwan China Chell, a meal Dana kind. It did a Kumalakan, a Panchina Chell, a meal got more. Ki dear Kunu, Central Kunu. Not China Chelly, we watching the China Chelly, ye poke, Kaye poke, we have a poke Nujone, a jam, Nujone Mokerani, a Kerigima Waponia, Chile Mokene. Got me with Chile Rio, me not the Cantina Rio, me not my Chile to with the Chile Rio. Me could know what you Lonya Medel, where a jam Nujone, a Chile Nujone, a make Telon Mokene. Kika any, we want to new Lonyo, go new Kimania Lonyo, do I near Jamu Medel. Le Wu Chel, Martin Dario. So we are different. And because of this historical injustice, there's still a lot of work to be done in the northern part of the country here. And we will not get tired telling our colleagues in government, and indeed government, that there's still a lot to be done in the northern part of the country of Uganda, including here in Acholi. When you talk about culture, when you keep core padano, dan mungkin tamni culture unyokit te kwaro, ubedo kitu wangeni. Ni ka wanya te kwaro achana gi, rora chiera gi, rora ngagi, energy gi, rora yangi, ine ma gi. But culture of people is a way of life. And transformation and development begin from the culture of the people. Don't look at what you know. Jake ki ko padano. Ki ko padano, you know. Ki ko padano ki ko our lifestyle. Ki ko our beru let mo aloko our language jam lok mo aloko jam wa jamo. Ki mo buru ke de wudi wa chetini gain wa ni ngoma be ki wa ngoma raj. Ki ngoma do ma be. Ki padano be ni maraj. Eno be ngo. Ka chiel ki me lonyu nongu ki ko to lose the culture of the people. German Kenya, Luta, Mero Loke, Lobo Loke, one Mero Loke, Chala Moko, Equa Chamber and Ninja Kenya. So it is important when we talk about culture, we also talk about wealth. It is very important. Waneni Nenowa is also a way of culture. It's a way of culture. At any when Lutua Miro Note Moke Loni repair, Panged of what Moke Marawayo can best describe this. The Karamayang Luenti Chari, our Dana not a leader. Here what you Ubintin Locomotive, no down upon Borobin, a bit of page, more bit there, and Bormo with a perfect Chingman yet. No cook, ready tea, Jalotero. No down Jora. Man, when you don't pay, pay of Miratim mechanic, Canada, or wait, no way more can. Oh, yeah. Poco Mochi Loca, Tequaro, Mono, Yomaying. Oh, and a winner, a chul mat ku malo ke chul mat ku pin me na wi lo tie pa nge chul mat be tu malo me na be tu pin pa nge me ma cha mala kwang pa nge me ma cha mala kwang me na pe cha mala kwang apa ko ti kwene chul mat ku malo chul mat ku. So all this is very, very useless. Let me tell you about culture. When we visited Vietnam, the president asked the president of Vietnam, but you were not as superior as the Americans when you fought here. How come that you defeated the Americans? How did you defeat them? How? The man gave a short response that for us, Vietnamese, we have a culture. The Americans don't have a culture. So what is your culture? What actually culture wa ngo? When you come down, when you come more, culture ngo what you get. So it is important. One name, breaking it on matter. La dit CJ kachel ki luka mo bore kan. One patelo ministry mo e wadi kwal ministry ngo nyongoni an megani an nyampara mi kumala me Uganda ngete nyampara wayo ana be nyampara anene wang teach weng me kumala Uganda kan teach by MPs teach by LC5 teach yotcom okidi gi loka pi ngol kopgi loka ngomgi weng ana be nyampara mi no den Uganda kan Kamatiyo ye chak ki boda ma DRC wo kan weng na iboda ki Kenya anticha nenno gimatime kan e giambire te amira waj kuman ni chalao loba chule kan ma moko ko amira waj kuman wan ma tiati ka chel ki kamete mateka dada te tit ma charo kamente ka chel ki dan weng matie tikitam mero yubo gang nyoro pajo watika tika chel ki ro pajo watika tika chel ki jang papa weng pagamente cultural leaders, religious leaders, OWC and others. Watika nili kima mama team meke lo lonyo ikin dano kan. Gimadong tek mateka team ka chel ki ro pajo la dit CJ nge matek itwal wana bidi ke chona karo la watika medne bene wamdero neno ngo mabe marom ke lonyo ikin kaha acholi. Amir bang miunge ni cheni make unwe dana manakadana pungio le munluoni nusaf no tior kama lany wado ruwenyo ko karmo achako obedi ki tel padit pal ijomo ken matamene nusaf be eta mira wacho ni nusaf gamente be dwako nusaf ikumal me Uganda kan. And we hope ni mwaka bindi gamente will finish the process me no ngulon me chilling and wako ko ndano make it project matino make lo iching dano ba mi unge ni gamente be kachel ki chika wilogo the ICC mangi tamiro bebe unge obeki nge matiye ni ICC nyo chika wilogo lo makiloni ICC ni mago biro ngolo kop lokom iwi domini kumwen wajene inoni domi kumwen obedi kibar timubal ikame lwenyi ma ICC tika meno chul joma kikera rome kongi maramo million pira bich rio kolo me chiling tar makiluni euro ma chiling eni bino me konyo mino kony ikon jomuok peko mapat maramo chok ali pira mwen ki uya bomwen ali pira bomwen ki uya bomwen jong work tanga pat ikom luen meno so makakar ne o ye wan ko tia parliament tika gina cabinet tika yu nge ni papara ma ubi kwanyo guide nyu to kita chilingi miro ki kon ki wa mi ye churi kan kan loka kwan kikit ko megan la dit CJ pa no kare pura gena bi no kare bene men ka chel bidu no wor ki dang we kun dana wana mito ti kwa chel un ka chel to tela dini lo tela kaha mponyo gai kibe no kibe bedi ki dang kime timo yema papa makelo loyo mero tieko amiro tieko kuna wacho ni ministry wa winote kachiel kwedu tich me teno kuot kachiel kwedu amako lo ikom dero kwan machake mwaka manyien ni my ministry ministry na ubikero gimo ikicha ni dero kwan jibo kuna wacho ni utia choli jibo kuna wacho man amne mabino kanyi na tawana bi no dano pong kanyi ma bolo ramo dano ko pangyo kalwenyo balawa nga mira lok lokada actually wana odako rock ma pa ko odako kaka generation ke luoni ngolwa lwa
nya lwa
wana odako lwa ma wa maro pa ko to twal
nya lwa
ma pa ko to twal ko tega pa yo mukene eto mewa kai ko pa ko makulu. So I hope that next time we have this, we'll have a bigger number than this. Amera po etwal adit CJ kiwon weng lukaha alego ben la chuju weng ma bini be maber etwal mi kuj kilonyo kiriepe kinwa ajieko kunda lo mera madit ambassador olara otuno ubilokelwa afo yoba